What's up, folks? Welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss the best 5 bread machines according to their budget, performance, and much more. Take a moment to check out the description below for more details. Best overall, Zojirushi BB-PDC20BA. If you're serious about bread making, this unit is for you. It boasts 15 different settings, including gluten-free, salt-free, sugar-free, and vegan bread. Even better, it can also help you make sourdough starters. And there are 3 homemade memory settings as well that you can program to bake custom loaves. Its included large, easy-to-read LCD display with a convenient keycode on the lid will simplify your course selection, while its dual heaters on the bottom and lid of the breadmaker will promote even baking and browning. It houses recessed handles on the bottom of the breadmaker for more accessible transportation and storage. Finally, in the package you will get a liquid measuring cup, nested measuring cups, and a measuring spoon as accessories. Best budget, Oster ExpressBake. This unit is an affordable machine that performs well. It's white, and the front part has all the controls on the top of it. The control buttons are clearly labeled and even have a list of available programs printed to the left of the buttons. Coming to its LCD, its screen will let you see your selections along with the baking time, so you can make sure you've got everything. It also features multiple settings that offer ideal baking versatility, and a delay bake timer that lets you set the baking time up to 13 hours in advance. The top of the machine is removable, making cleaning a breeze. And for added convenience, this bread maker ships with a measuring cup, a spoon, and a kneading paddle. Best large capacity, Breville BBM800XL. This unit is an exclusive reliable bread maker. By design, it is user-friendly, attractive, and functional. But its cost is higher than most bread machines, but it's worth that higher price. You can choose your setting, set a custom time you'd like your bread to be ready in, and it will tell you when to add in fruit or nuts at the perfect time, and also customizes so that you create your own masterpiece. Its automatic programs include yeast-free, crusty loaf, dough, pasta, and jam. It also has 9 custom settings too, to create and store your personal recipes. Another worth mentioning feature of this bread maker is its removable lid with a large viewing window. Through this, you can see the progress of the bread through the viewing window without having to open the lid. Best compact, Cuisinart. This unit is a versatile and compact automatic bread maker that offers a variety of crust colors and loaf sizes, as well as pre-programmed menu options. It comes in a counter-friendly and compact design, with a full-size vertical baking cavity. Its vertical bread pan bakes up to 2-pound loaves, and featuring a lid with a viewing window, you can see the progress of the bread without having to open the lid. Its LCD display will provide a clear view of countdown time, current cycle, and selected options. When it comes to its functions, it offers 12 pre-programmed menu options for various loaves of bread. Lastly is this unit, which is a vertical standing machine that can bake a 1-pound loaf of bread. It has gluten-free, salt-free, sugar-free, and vegan courses that will allow you to avoid unwanted ingredients, and are also specially designed to produce the best results for each type of bread. You can also bake delicious, whole wheat bread using its whole wheat or quick whole wheat courses. And it also features an auto-add dispenser, which can automatically dispense nuts and other ingredients, while its double heaters will rapidly heat the interior to facilitate oven spring for a light and airy crust. Its course selection is simple, with the convenient course key printed on the lid, and when it comes to its electric specifications, its power consumption is surprisingly low at 450 watts for the heating elements and 83 watts for the monitor. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.